To be rich, a bag rich. It's a cap bag rich. What? Rich. In a minute, you see the table full of liquor, rich.
And food,
rich. So with the lifestyle,
not one table or two or three tables.
Rich.
Tables. Rich.
Yeah. And we got rich before God come. Rich.
Before God come.
Before God come. Rich.
And we are going baptized.
Before God come.
Rich.
Rich. Teetimus. Rich. Rich. First man, me a pirate, I'm saying man buy a shell shoes for 1,500 US. So these, right?
Yeah, still have it.
You still have it?
Yeah,
shell shoes, gentleman, make out a real shell. The money are rich now. I mean that all from about 1998, 97. Rich. 1,500 US. 1,500 what? See a shell shoes, gentleman. People say this, get me off to buy this. See the white man, yeah? So they are saying still rich. I tell them Titi, we're going to store and Titi say, a mosquito pants. You remember that mosquito pants?
Yeah, the first session. Tell them about it all day.
About it? Yeah, first session pants. Titi said, I want it, kid. I said, alright, give me a minute.
Yeah.
Get it.
You get it.
Get it. How much it? $1,000 US. Get it. Titi, my friend, I give him back down the line. Rich.
Yeah.
That all the blood clot. We can't fight. We can't fight for me.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna bring socks here. A new one, them. It just come out.
Them cheap, about $5.
I'm gonna bring hot, mass.
Yeah, Mass said a real rich figure. The kid rich.
You see it?
The kid look out for real rich people.
Them. Yeah.
But you know, look out for not the poor kind of one back.
Yeah, African card. Remember me get a US story.
But when I come here, my man not home because you work on everything back on the
Wife, you work your hard, but perform.
You said me to perform how much you work on that. So you work on everything where you...
No, are you woman now telling us?
I'm for all.
Yeah, you have a little thing left.
You're broke enough. You're broke.
No, I'm doing that.
You're broke.
No, do me that. Tell me that long time. I'm not going in my pocket because I stop working pocket money. I stop working pocket change.
I told you that feeling, okay? You're not
I stop working pocket change.
So what's the walking?
Oh,
Alright,
I got peoples. I got peoples.
Yeah, okay.
I got peoples.
Last time, I know the last time I tried to flop myself, but then I say you're broke and you put out too much $1 million.
Yo.
And carry top on.
Yo. Are you dealing with a wicked man with a one bag?
Yeah, because I always have the budget living in the box.
Budget. I'm the Tanto manager. My money now.
Rich.
Yo, Tanto, you're rich, you know? Yo, I'm pay rich people about a pirate star.
Yeah, for all them, I'm not seeing that. What are you doing?
They are doing the work, yeah.
All them, I'm trying to look for that. Yeah, they are coming to